Okay, so standard form. When we write numbers into standard form, we have to consider this formula. The formula is that we have a number. We have a number which will be between 1 and this number is going to be here, and it will be less than 10. So this number will be greater or equal to 1, but it will be less than 10. So which means that the number now can be 1, can be now this number can be 1 and equal to 1, equal to 1, equal to 2, equal to anything between 1, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.9, 2, 3, anything between 2, which would be 2.1, 2.3, 2.8, okay, 4, etc. to 9, 9.1, 9.2, or 9.9, but it will not be 10. So these numbers are between 1 and 10. 1, 1.1, 2, 2.1, 0.3, to that much. So when we write numbers into standard form, we have to consider integrals of 10. For example, now if we have to write 5, for example, if I have to write 5, this is the same as 5.0 times 10 power 0, because any number power 0 is 1. So this is a standard form. Okay, this is a standard form. Okay, it is a standard form or scientific notation. Writing 51, for example, this is the same as now have to put a decimal here to be 5.1, but because the point was here, you have to travel to this. It will be times 10 power 1. Okay, writing, for example, 100. Okay, 100 is the same as the point is initially here where the number ends if you don't have a point. So you got to go to this point here. But traveling towards the point, you go to the positive direction. How many steps? 1, 2 steps. So this is the same as 1.00 times 10 power 2. We went 2 steps to that. So this is how. Now suppose we look at numbers which are less than 1. Okay, numbers which are less than 1. All the numbers we looked here, 5 is bigger than 1, 51, 100, etc. And suppose I give you another example, maybe 212.8. Okay, writing this to standard form, this is where our point is. We got to go back to the formula. The formula says it should be between 1 and 10. So 1 and 10, it will be 2.12. When you shift this to here, it means these points increases to this much here. But we count them to where original point was. So when we count, we go forward 2. Okay, 1, 2. So this is the same as 2.128 times 10 power 2. Okay, so that is very important. Now suppose we look at numbers which are less than 1. Numbers which are less than 1 have been common. Okay, so numbers which are less than 1, like 0.002. Okay, this number is less than 1, but the formula should be followed. This formula here is very, very important. Okay, the formula should be followed. Now if you want to follow the formula, it means this new point should be shifted to this, so that it is going to be 2.0. But if we want to go back to where it was, we are going back this time. We are not going forward. We go back to where it was, and this is -3. So this is equal to 2 times 10 power -3. 2 times 10 power -3, because we went back. We went back 3 points. So 0.012 will lead us to this point here. The point will be here. Okay, point is going to be here. So if the point is going to be here, to go back, we are going back -2. So this is the same as 1.2 times 10 power -2. Now this is how we write numbers in standard form, whether the number is bigger than 1 or the number is smaller than 1. Write it in that way. We consider this formula and we consider the direction. If the given number is positive, it means going back to the original point will be going forward. If the given number is less than 1, going back to the original point will be going back. So that is how we write. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.